Hey, what's going on? Tony Kelly here. Got a super exciting video to share with you. Got a instant $200 payment. This is a follow-up video for the daily income method, and I want to start this off with the proof. Here, you can see I got my payment here, doing $200 payment through Stripe. Shout out to William for joining me. I just want to start this off with this because, as the saying goes, documentation beats conversation. So I could tell you all about this opportunity, but I wanted to show you proof that it is working. And of course, there's other people that's made a whole lot more than me. But I just wanted to show you it is working. I got this. This came in yesterday morning. I didn't have a chance to make the video, so I'm making it now. I already got the login screen open over here. Let me go ahead and on the daily income method. Let me go ahead and log in. Give you a little bit of a tour here. This is a fantastic program. It was created by Mac Mills. He's my referrer because it's only been out for a very short time now and it's already blew up. You can see it. This is my first referral. Um, $200 instant. It's an instant commission. It went to my Stripe, but I got a lot of different payment methods made. There are several people down here below that say they paid, but of course they didn't pay. That's one bad thing about this is people try to lie to get access to the system, so you just decline them. The system setup is pretty easy. He's got videos in here, and you go through everything. You go through all the steps, and the last step you add all your payment methods, which is very important because of how you want to get paid. So I got a lot of different ways you can pay me set up. Then the lead capture system, it goes through the Home Business Academy, and he explains how to do it here. If you're already in HBA, great. If you're not, you can grab your link here. Of course, you're going to join under me because I got my affiliate link in here. So whenever you join uh, Daily Income Method, this has multiple streams of income inside. So then this explains how to get your capture page set up. Then of course he's got the affiliate links. These are the direct links, and he added a lot more links in here because some people like this guy here, Roger. He's made a bunch of money in a short period of time. Then there's several people in here that have made a lot of money in a short period of time. So they added all these links. They're more like testimonial links, and he's got a couple more links in here too. Then at the bottom, you can do a lot of different tracking if you want to. Um, then there's a section here where you can buy traffic. Udemy is the main one, and like the other ones, I have my referral link in here. If you don't have it, you would join under me. Um, this is just the one traffic source that he has. There's another system you can use here. I have my referral link in here, so you can join this. This is a pretty neat tool to have too. Um, he's got a ton of resources and he's got done for you emails. He's got a big list of emails you can use. Um, there's a lot here. Then there's of course there's pictures for social media you can put to. There's a lot more. There's all kind of stuff in here. Mac Mills did a real good job with this opportunity. There's another page for different tools you can use. This page, I don't want to open it up because I have a lot of he calls them checkout page referrals. It's people that went to the actual in the checkout page, and like I said, there's a bunch of people that click on the link to say they paid, but of course they didn't pay. So that's where it shows the list of all those people. The commission is going to show, it just shows the commissions you made, but it also lists the people that joined you. I don't want to show the guy's information on there. I showed you on the email I got as William. It'll just have his email address in there. I just didn't want to show all the stuff. Then the leaderboard, you can see Mac Mills. It's his opportunity, so he started it. Um, see, he's got 111,000 already. This is ridiculous. This system is amazing. You can see all the people that are in here. Th this guy Roger, he's already made 28,000. He made like he's something ridiculous. He made like 5,000 in like a very short period of time. He was going crazy with it. But there's a lot of people in here that's made quite a few sales, and this has only been out for like I think like 2 months now. I can't remember the exact date when it started. Um, then of course the main thing you're buying faceless reels for Facebook. Um, there's a lot of training in here too. all kind of different trainings. This is cool too. There's a book of email swipes you can use, and then but the training, the product itself is Facebook Reels. You can just use, they're done for you Reels, and you can just download them and put them on Facebook, which is very cool. And then you can put your call to action. You can put your link in there. Then there's a community here. It's kind of like a Facebook community. There's a lot of people in here talking. Um, then over here on the side, it talks about it'll have a live feed when people make sales. You get email follow-ups. They do training every week, and whenever there's an update. And then the community here, you can connect with the community here. It's kind of like a Facebook social media. But then here's the live feed that shows people making commissions and people joining. So this system is fantastic. It's a one-time $200 to the refer, and then $97 to the admin one time, and then you're set. And then of course, like I showed you, there's multiple streams of income in here. So anyways, that's it for now. I'm gonna put the link below. Go ahead and check it out. I'd love to have you on my team. When that's it for now, this is Tony Kelly signing off.